Hi everybody, I'm Brad Pike, your mayor for the City of Eagle with this week's Mayor Minute. Phase 2 of the Downtown Mobility Project begins this month. The public is invited to learn more about this project, ACHD's open house on Thursday, January 23rd from 4 to 7 p.m. at our Residence Inn here in Eagle. Also, this is the last week for the recycling of the trees, which ends on January 9th. Remember, they're only natural trees and you have to cut them in 4-foot sections. And on a more somber note, everyone from the City of Eagle and I want to extend our prayers and condolences to the victims and families of those that lost their lives or were seriously injured in the vicious attack in New Orleans on New Year's Eve. We're flying our flag at half-staff in honor of the late President Jimmy Carter, who passed away last week. We also want to bestow that honor on those who lost their lives or were injured in those attacks. May God watch over and protect the families and the first responders in these difficult times. May God bless you and your family. See you next time.